we will be installing the primary plugin for Zenforo 2. Plus. Here we have a Zenforo 2.2 dashboard, and we will begin now. Well, we're in the add-ons, and we're going to come up here to install from archive. Since we have archive enabled, we'll be able to choose the compressed file, select, upload, and begin the process. We will confirm, and Zenforo uncompresses it, put the files exactly where it's needed, and we now have Threadloom primary installed. Now that we have primary installed, we're going to access the options and complete setup. So again, from the dashboard, we're going to go to select options and scroll down until we find primary and select. The first thing that you will see is the vertical name. This vertical name is provided by Threadloom. If you have not received a vertical name, you will not be able to complete the process. For this test, I will be entering British Brass Band for the site that we operate the mouthpiece. The forum nickname can be whatever you decide, and we will click Save. Once the embed settings for the vertical name and forum nickname are set, you can move forward. You can enable Primary Explorer, Primary Products pages, and Primary List. Each section has 3 different setups. We'll start with Primary Explorer. We'll click by enabling it. We will give the Explorer a title. Next, we will decide where we would like to place the Explorer. By default, we have Thread View, which will display it on each section of your site below Post. You may style it as a message so it'll fit in as a post, or you can simply have it as a carousel. So I'm going to select all user groups. And so now when I go back, I see the title, I see different products, I see the link that can be taken out. This is the carousel view. Now I'm going to style it as a message, press save, refresh the page, and this is what it looks like when it's styled as a message. If I would like to unstyle it as a message and take away a little bit of the styling around it, makes it a little bit shorter and a little bit more bare bones if someone wanted to do that. Not my recommendation to do that. So I'll leave that undone. Now, product pages will open up the products that you click on in the carousel from Explorer onto your site. Again, you can do what you want to there. And we're also going to make this simple, so we'll enable primary list. All right, we're just going to refresh the page. We now have a link up at the top for that option, and that takes us here. I have dark mode enabled. So again, that's functioning as expected. Okay, so now we're back. Okay, we're looking back, and we can click on this, and it should take us to the mouthpiece, and it shows the products directly on the site. Most important piece.